I thank you for joining me. I'm going to be reading the Earth Class Notes, written by the 12th Apostle, entitled Earth Class Number 9. The Genesis record of man's population advancements and rapid multiplications on Earth are primarily focused upon the offspring of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob because of God's unconditional promise to Abraham. This record contains the good and the bad, the strengths and the weaknesses of these people. It's interesting to note that everywhere the descendants of Israel went, the land flourished and became exceedingly prosperous with each generation on earth, as long as they retained their knowledge of God and their obedience to Him. When one understands what the spirit body is, this in itself proves there is no burning, torturous pain for anyone when they pass from this life. The only time any individual will ever feel pain is through their physical body. The illustrations of pain, suffering, and torment, often used in the Bible record, were used as a means to emphasize the critical importance of repentance, salvation, and obedience in living life here. Most individuals make a critical mistake in their thinking. They think that their sovereign choice to agree or disagree with a subject is the determining factor regarding the truth of that subject. The truth can and will prove itself if you allow it to do so, thinking with logic, not emotion, but logic. Since we see the strengths and weaknesses of God's chosen people in the Genesis record, consider the fact that God remembers all that He chooses to, but He does not focus upon the wrong that people do on earth. This would produce grief and sorrow in His soul. And understand, there's a great difference between being aware of something and focusing upon it. And this is why we should do the same. Could it be that handling the important issues of life on this earth really be that simple? Yes. You see, here and now in our classroom, so to speak, on this earth, this is our time to learn, to understand all the great principles of truth that will set us free to love God and to love others, even those that are so very hard to love. Our class here is in session. Until next time.